Welcome to day 4 of Portland! So windy. Oh my god, I look like that! Wow. We look great. Breakfast sandwiches. I'm really excited. I know, I'm literally so hungry. It is our last day in Portland. We are at this hotel because we have a tour for Multnomah Falls and this is our meeting point. And I'm very excited because the falls look so pretty and I think we have a couple of other stops along the way as well. This is our third stop, which is Shepherd's Dell. We are officially at our last stop. This is the Vista House. That is the house. And the view though is incredible. It's so pretty here. Look at that. We have made it back to home base and after eating lunch, which was leftover Thai food from yesterday, but it was so good, we are heading to Blue Star Donuts and then Powell City of Books, and then we're going back to 23rd Avenue to go to Tea Chai Tay because it was so cute and I'm gonna journal. Jess is gonna edit some photos, and then we're meeting with my friend Monica and her friends for dinner. I think it's oh my god, they sold out! I'm so sad. I'm so sad. So they sold out. That was fast.
Holy crap. Wait, should we go to the other one after Karud? Should we go now? No, we'll be there Powell's first.
Yeah. Alright, well now we're heading to Powell's, which is really close. I'm very excited. My goal is to buy a book. Maybe 2. Or 3. Who knows? Which room should we go to? Alright, well, we are now back at our Airbnb. It was so nice seeing Monica and like meeting her friends, and we are gonna head to the airport in like 2-ish hours. Bye! Bye! Oh, I got it. It's okay. I got it. I'll send it to you. We're so lame. We're turning up tonight, yo. 420. MTV, welcome to my crib. We're literally, wow, stylish. So stylish.
And security.
And protected. Well, Jess and I made it to the airport, but it is closed. So we're gonna be here for like solid 4 hours.
We'll be right back.